10goldenfingers.com/culinary, where flavor meets opportunity. Most recipe sites give you ingredients and instructions, then they leave you alone. We are the Culinary Interactive Encyclopedia. Explore thousands of recipes from appetizers and soups to pastries, cocktails, and famous world chefs' creations. Choose how many people you're cooking for, and every ingredient adjusts automatically. Click an ingredient and discover the secrets behind using it correctly. Choose how you want to make the dish, understand the method, and follow interactive cooking steps one by one. Open the chef's tips and learn how to turn an ordinary result into a great one. Burned it? Broke the sauce? Wrong texture? The Chef's Fix Clinique teaches how to fix it. Then finish and garnish your creation. Explore the world's famous chefs' creations, their origins, and the inspiration behind them. Don't just follow recipes, learn to cook. 10goldenfingers.com/culinary, where flavor meets opportunity.